Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a video on TubeBuddy, the Pro version, and basically I'm going to be showing you how to use SEO Studio when creating templates for your unloaded videos and live streams. Please consider liking and subscribing. Also, a free link to the tag tool TubeBuddy is in the description. Now, once you have it downloaded, which you can see how to do in a previous video, you go to the upper right hand corner here and you click on the icon that says TV. You go down to SEO Studio. Here you're going to enter a title description, something that describes your video. For the purpose, we're going to do for a Roblox live stream. So you type in your keyword Roblox live stream and it's going to give you a base search engine score. Right now we're at 62%, which is not too bad. So we're going to work from here. We're going to make sure the title starts with our keyword Roblox livestream. Oh, just let me put some capitalization in it. Roblox livestream. There you go. And I'm just going to add to the title, let's see, live with, viewers. Viewers. Let's see, it dropped down a little. The point, you do have to try to make it flow naturally, so you might have to play around with the title a little bit to try to keep a base score of at least 50%. Things like an exclamation can sometimes bring it down a little. Sometimes you have to play with it back and forth. Try and live viewer's choice. Sometimes you're putting in a title of a game like Arsenal, Piggy with a Y, or some other game. Yeah, I'll just go other Roblox games. Now another point is in the description, you want to make sure your key word or words are in the first 3 words of your description. And some people suggest just taking your entitled title and putting it as the first line in your description. But for now, I'm just going to use the keyword. And I'm just going to add some other words here. Live with viewers, viewer's choice, several games, private servers. You can mess with this a little bit, but the key thing is make sure Roblox livestream or your main keyword is the first bit of your title and the first bit of your description. So include target keyword naturally in the title. That one again you have to play around with a little to try to get the score up a little, but you're not going to get 100% here. So now next we are going to be looking at our tag. So Roblox livestream, that is our first tag because that is our keyword. Down here you'll see a bunch of suggested ones. It's good to go with relevance. Make sure you don't use any tags that are not relevant to your video, otherwise YouTube will penalize you. So if you're not an Adopt Me streamer, don't put Adopt Me in there, basically. So if everything looks good, just kind of look at everything, it looks good. Include your exact keyword as your first tag. If you ever forgot to do this, if you just click on there, it will automatically put it in. But it has worked out. It's good to add a couple more tags. I'm literally just putting in my keyword because it's not showing there. I'm just showing another variation of that. And you can add and remove tags you don't like. Over here, this is something cool I really like. It compares other videos, other live streams, just like ones in your description, and it shows you the thumbnails and the views of how many are watching. So this will give you a better idea of color combinations, ideas to make your thumbnails. I really do enjoy this part of it. I find it very helpful. For now, I'm going to put in just my regular thumbnail. Just a moment, I'm just going to go through my computer and find my thumbnail. Just one moment. As you can see, the SEO score on the top is at 95%, and we're just loading the thumbnail now. And look at the colors. Make sure that they're contrasting. You can actually, there's color wheels that you can look up on on Google search. I'll actually put one in the description. So anyway, you go next, and now we save draft. Now the title of the draft will actually be our main keyword, Roblox livestream. So now we're going to exit. So now I'm just going to create a live stream. I'm not actually going to go live on Roblox on this channel. This is just a hobby channel, not my main one. As you can see in the drop down, it's not there. So what you do is go to create new. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to put in title. And I don't really matter about the description, so I'm going to add my own template. I'm just going to create the stream. I'm just going to set this for a couple days because I am going to delete this. Alright, let's put not for kids. Alright. Okay, now we're going to go back into our studio. That's our YouTube Studio. And we're just going to go into content. And we're going to go to live and find the video that we set up. As you see, it's a very basic one. There's no thumbnail or anything on it. Click on the pencil to edit it. Now click on this red little icon, TubeBuddy. Go down to video SEO, and then go down to SEO Studio. Now we're not going to be doing this again. We're going to load from save drafts because we've already done all the work. And then over here, we're going to click on the one that we just made, which was Roblox livestream. And it's going to be showing our previous setup. We're just going to go next. We're going to look over the tags. Everything looks fine. If you see anything that's off, you want to change your tags here, you can do that here. I'm going to change that one around. That was not relevant. Okay, now hit next. And it's going to take you back to your thumbnail. If you're happy with your thumbnail, keep it. Let's hit next. Now we're going to put apply to video. We're going to apply it to video this time. And it's just going to take a moment for it to load. Alright, so close SEO Studio. Now this is very important. Make sure you save in the studio, or else all that will not save. You'll have to do it over again. Alright, it has been saved. Now I'm going to take you into the actual live stream. It's not live, it's pending, but I'm just going to give you a look at the scores and what to look for. Now again, this video is not live yet, so the tag scores can be a little down, the rank tags, but I'll show you that in a moment. I'm just going to go over into my channel here. I'm going to find the pending live stream, which is set for 2 days. And over here on the right hand side, we're going to scroll down to where the video analytics are. Our search engine optimizer score is 100%. We have all the check marks, everything set up. If I go to loaded tags, it probably will show 0 or a low number. Yeah, we have 2 ranking tags. This is basically what this tells you is how many times these tags are going to show up on the first page whenever someone searches in those exact tags. So it's important to have as many of those on. Right now I got 2. When I go live, it will actually be higher. But that's basically the gist of the tool. That is showing you how to, basically all I want to do is show you how to make a template. And we're just going to wrap this up for here. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Please again consider subscribing to my channel, giving it a like to get access to this tool. There is a free version, link is in the description. If you would like to try the pro version for free for 14 days, if there is no credit card required, just if you look in a previous video, it actually shows you the steps for downloading and getting the free version for 14 days. If you decide you like it, there's a list of prices, which is very reasonable. It's under $10 a month. Again, if you have any questions, ask in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.